like the Star Destroyer. Okay, so talking about practicals and stuff, like the Star Destroyer, being pushed into the disabled Star Destroyer being pushed into the other Star Destroyer, and like being pushed into the to the shield. Yeah, that was an incredible idea.
It was awesome. I think that was an awesome idea, and the fact that they're like, just hit the warp drive while we're doing this. Like, oh,
right.
Wait a second. Can you do that? You know, that was one of those things that was so unique. And it was like, can you actually do that in that universe? You know what I mean? Like, can you do that in that galaxy? And I think one of the things that, okay, so that's one thing. I think it was introducing new uses of the same thing. Go ahead, Sempi. What else? What else?
I have a question about the difference in the Star Destroyer and the Death Star. Why is there a Star Destroyer that can destroy stars, but they don't have something that can destroy planets yet?
Star Destroyers don't really destroy
stars.
Then
why are they called that?
Star Destroyers don't destroy stars.
Then why are they called that?
Like, well, and so let's talk about that. It's because when men build boats, they name them stupid things, okay? And so, for instance, a battleship...
Wait, so you talk about yourself?
Hold on, slow down. World War II, a battleship doesn't go into battles. It goes into, like, ocean-bound, like, war situations, you know what I mean? Battles are usually fought on the ground. Now, like, are there battles in the ocean? I guess so. But, like, really, when you say battle to me, I think a ground war. Right.
But
so,
also,
like, it should have been, I guess it.
I mean, it could be in a battle. There are battles on the sea, but it's actually supporting other ships and stuff. You know, like.
Right.
I mean, I don't know.
Yeah, sometimes you just grab the closest name that sounds cool and you use that. So.
Right. I mean, they try to make them sound bigger and scarier than they actually are.
Exactly.
But
that's a good point.